So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do, rather do.
We have now arrived at our hotel here in Clark, in Pampanga, where we will be staying one night. And we'll be having our flight tomorrow. Mosquito! No more mosquito. So our flight tomorrow would be on 9:40 a.m. and we're waking up around 5:30 a.m. to leave around 7:30 a.m. So see you guys tomorrow. Good night. And we're now on our way to the airport to catch our 9:40 a.m. flight to Batanes. We have just parked our car after 15 minutes of searching around the parking lot. We are now on our way to walk towards the airport. And from here, it's going to be a 2-minute walk according to the parking counter. What can you say, Karen?
Basco, Batanes.
We have just arrived. We are right away greeted by a stone house. So we're going to go out and look for wandering trek to fetch us to go to our hotel. From here, it's just going to be a 2-minute ride to the hotel. Fatim, what can you say?
It's nice.
It's her second time here. Second time is a charm. We have now arrived at our hotel. It was right. We arrived at 4 minutes. We're now here at Casa Feliciano. So I think for today, we'll just wait for our pickup around 1:30 p.m. for our start of half-day tour around the city.
Ano oras lang po?
1:30 pa? Sige. We're now here inside our room. 4 beds. 4 beds with 1 aircon. Small aircon. Wow, I agree, it's very cold. Because it's not hot in Batanes. We're now taking a tricycle to go to the city area and look for lunch. It's gonna cost us 50 pesos per tricycle. And we're going to get 2 tricycles to ride 4 people. We just finished our lunch and it cost us around 750 pesos for 4. Not bad. And we're now walking back to our hotel. No longer taking the trike to save 100 pesos and also to enjoy the view.
Showing off. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Bets are off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer.
Just a few more meters and we will arrive at our hotel. It's currently 12:56 and we need to arrive before 1:30. We are now on our way to the municipal hall or Capitolio to pay our ecotourism dues for around 400 pesos per person. We're here. It's very fast. Only a 2-minute ride from our hotel. We just paid our DNR fees and now we're paying our ecotourism dues. So DNR fee is 50. Ecotourism due is 350 per person. So we have just paid our dues. Now we're going back to the Pugon tricycle, and that's our passport. We need that. We need that for every spot that we're going, because they're gonna stamp that paper, that brochure.
Faster. What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster? Tomorrow, tomorrow. Feel your sorrows, feel your. What makes this heart beat faster? Tomorrow.
very peaceful view of Batanes, or maybe even the Philippines. This is a very, very rare scene. So, this is the rolling hills, and this is our second to the last stop. Later on, we'll go somewhere behind me. I think the lighthouse should be our last stop, and we're looking to see the sunset over there before we end our day today. Of course, we need to first wait for this pictorial to finish. That's my cousin. Headdress or chaleco, and this is being used so that they will be protected by the sun and the rain.